To download subtitles from Hotstar, first we have to choose a movie. Here I am selecting MS Dhoni The Untold Story. As here you can see, the internet download manager is fetching all the possible video qualities but not the subtitles. So let me close and wait for the movie to start streaming. After it has started streaming, make sure that these closed captions are enabled. Now, right click on the page and click inspect, or you can press the keyboard shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus I here. From here we have to look for the network tab. Here in the filter input box, type SBTL to filter the subtitle files from all other files. As you can see, two files have appeared. Let me copy the link and show you what's inside the individual file. Well, this is the web VTT file, that is streamed subtitle file. As you are seeing, the whole subtitle is divided into multiple segments. This is why it is hard to change the segment in URL and copy paste for approximately 150 files to get the whole subtitle. Well, you don't need to worry. This was the prime reason I built this project. Well, what you can do is copy the URL of one of these segments and paste it as the input and click search. For more transparency, let me show you. It is actually fetching all the individual segments and merging into the one file. Now the file is created. We can proceed to download it. Thanks for watching this video. Now go ahead and download your first subtitle.